Welcome back guys to another video. Here I'll be showing all the requests that people told me to make and to X-ray. I will first show you the startup sequence. Two and a half volts. Turn on the power supply. Voltage is set correctly. Disarm. Connect the cable. I added the cover to stop light from getting into the picture. First item will be a breadboard. Next up, multimeter. Sadly, I don't have an Arduino at hand, but I do have this thing. Hard drive. Laptop power supply. Hot glue gun. Actually, how stupid can you be to ask me to X-ray lead sheet? Well, here you go. Samsung Note 2 without a battery. Calculator. I have this type of Arduino for controller. Random ham radio walkie-talkies. Camera flash. I just made this actually terrifying. If I run it at 3 volts and with a bigger power supply, don't know how to explain it, but it is much stronger. I will show you what happens to a phone camera when it gets exposed to it. Yalla. Here is a picture that I took, and you can see the amount of radiation hitting my camera sensor. Let's stop this video for now before I give myself a deadly dose of radiation. I will be visiting a local radiology specialized hospital very soon to check if everything is okay. And you'll know the results of that in a few weeks. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this act of stupidity with radiation, and have a good day.